3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Ryan from the MXG channel. Today I bring you some news from the electric side of the industry. I'm sure a lot of people saw the CEO of Stark dropped a video yesterday, and I think most of us had been anticipating it. Basically, it gives you an update on what's going on with Stark and just lets you know there's going to be a delay with these bikes. And we get to see some shots of the production facility. He tells us that there's already 2 battery lines and one bike assembly line. Seems like they're already working to start assembling bikes. This is at their 215,000 square foot production facility in Spain. There's some confusion here with this. The brand does have Swedish roots and heritage, but these bikes are actually being produced in Spain. So basically, he said that they're working tirelessly day and night to get these bikes into production, but there's going to be a few months delay. And the reason, first of all, I'd like to say that I think we all expected this. And if your head's not buried in the sand and you're paying attention at all to macroeconomics right now, global supply chain, everything going on, you would not be surprised. In fact, you would expect this. This is an issue that major manufacturers that have had their feet dug in for half a century or more are dealing with. It's really not a great time for a startup, but so we expected this. Well, let me just read you exactly what Anton said word for word in the video. He said he keeps getting questions about delivery dates, and this is a quote from him. "I personally have almost zero patience, so I have a full understanding of everyone feeling frustrated to wait for the delivery. But I would like to reassure you that our team is doing a fantastic job to get this bike ready for production as fast as possible without compromise. But the impact of the global supply chain issues has affected us more than we had anticipated, and our production scale up is taking longer than we had expected. A few minor setbacks have had an impact on our production and facility plans. Currently, everyone at Stark Future is working day and night in order to start delivering bikes, but we will have a few months delay. We invite you to log in and review your new estimated delivery date on starkfuture.com. Within the next few weeks, Stark sales support will call every single customer to update you and clarify any questions you have regarding your delivery. Meanwhile, our team is continuously working hard to deliver a bike that will overachieve your expectations." So the reason I didn't drop this video yesterday is I wanted to get some feedback first from people who had pre-orders on these bikes. Any of you guys that are involved with or interested in Stark or have pre-orders down, I invite you to come join our Facebook group. It's Stark Future Varg on Facebook. There's over 4,000 people there. Keeps all the newest Stark info and news easily placeable there. So I wanted to get some feedback first, and I've heard some feedback, and it's a little more of a bummer, more of a delay than what we thought. I know a few people I've seen have said that their original delivery dates were December of this year or January, and they've moved to next fall. I had one guy specifically told me that his delivery date was February 2023, and it moved to December 2023. So it's seems to be about a 7 or 8 or 9 month delay for some of these people with their pre-orders. My only thoughts are I believe the pre-orders are probably coming before the dealers' showrooms will be stocked. So dealers can be looking at even longer possibly. So I will keep you guys updated on that whenever I get information. Regardless, we appreciate Stark. We want Stark involved in the sport and the industry. We need them. We appreciate all their efforts. The bike looks super cool, and I can't wait to get my hands on one and ride it. I know a bunch of other people can't wait either. So I've heard the first Stark seems to be hitting U.S. soil. I think it's going to be at the SEMA show this weekend in the back of a truck or something. I also saw a picture of a Stark in a showroom in Australia. so I can only assume that's kind of the same deal. Must be down there for some show as well. So at least they're starting to travel over the oceans and get here one way or another. Either way, we're super excited. Subscribe to this channel. I will keep you updated on Stark News as much as I possibly can. Man, we're excited about this. Thanks, guys. If you want to help me out, you can buy your dirt bike parts from AOMC. It's the first link in my description. You got to buy those parts anyway, so why not buy them from us and help me out, support the channel. Hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.